Dear friend, when it comes to learning strategies, it's important to remember that the most obvious path isn't always the most effective one. Often, approaches that go against common intuition yield the best results. This also applies to summaries, where the traditional method of passively transcribing the text ends up being less efficient. Therefore, it's time to explore new ways to optimize our studies. Before starting a summary, it's crucial to have clarity about the objectives. One must have a broad and clear understanding of the whole, comprehending the subject matter, and how each part relates. This panoramic view will allow for creating a more comprehensive and coherent summary, capturing the essence of the content more precisely. Making a summary on the first reading of the material risks producing a superficial and ineffective summary. At this initial stage, we don't yet have a complete understanding of the content. It's necessary to conduct an exploratory reading, identify the most relevant information, and absorb as much knowledge as possible before starting the summarizing process. During the reading of the material, it is recommended to make markings on the most important parts, and identify keywords that represent the main concepts of each paragraph. This technique will help guide the creation of the summary later, enabling a clearer visualization of the central points, and the relationships between them. For an effective summary, challenge yourself to close the book, and try to write the summary based solely on the selected keywords. This method requires a high level of understanding and cognitive engagement. By attempting to recall and explain the information in your own words, you'll be developing a deeper comprehension of the content. If you encounter difficulties in recalling information, or relating concepts during the summarizing process, don't hesitate to consult the source material again. This additional reference will help clarify any doubts, and strengthen your understanding. Remember that the pursuit of clarity is essential for an efficient summary. An effective strategy for summarizing is to use frameworks such as bullets, numbering, and flowcharts. This form of visual organization helps stimulate reasoning, making it easier to identify the hierarchy of information and the connections between concepts. Furthermore, by utilizing a schematic summary, subsequent revisions become quicker and more precise. Avoid simply copying and pasting entire sentences during the summarizing process. This approach doesn't promote effective learning. When creating the summary, challenge yourself to use your own words, and find ways to relate the concepts. This will allow for greater processing and understanding of the information. One of the benefits of having a structured summary is the ease of review. By organizing the information in a clear and concise manner, it's easier to locate specific information during a later review. This saves time, and helps consolidate knowledge more efficiently. If you struggle with transforming concepts into visuals during the summarizing process, don't worry. There are additional resources available to assist you in this task. It is recommended to seek out other materials, such as videos or tutorials that teach specific techniques like the use of timelines, flowcharts, and tables to illustrate concepts. These visual tools can provide an alternative approach to solidify your understanding. By following these insights, you'll be on the path to producing more effective summaries that stimulate reasoning and comprehension of the content. Remember that practice is key to improving your summarizing skills, and persistence and dedication will lead to better retention of information in memory, facilitating your learning and personal growth. If you enjoyed this video and found the information helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. And if you know someone who could benefit from the insights we've shared, please share this video with them. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel.